The fifth question is the point A has coordinates 4, comma minus 8 and B has coordinates minus 2, comma 4. The first question is write down the coordinates of C, the midpoint of line segment AB. Say we have the line AB, this is the line. Say this is the line where the midpoint of A is 4, comma minus 8 and the value of the coordinates of B minus 2, comma 4. Now here's somewhere we have the point C, which is midpoint of this particular line. So say we are taking this value to be xm ym. So we need to find out the value of xm ym from here. Okay, so now the formula, midpoint formula is this is equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. The coordinate is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2, where this is our xm and this is our ym. So we will try to find out that. So for this I am guessing this A to be x1. Here it is x1 and y1 and it is x2 comma y2. So from here we are getting xm is equals to here x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So 4 plus of minus 2 divided by 2, this is we are getting, and for ym we are getting, from here you can see ym is equals to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So minus 8 plus 4 divided by 2. So we are getting this 2 by 2 is equals to 1. So xm is equals to 1 and we are getting ym is equals to minus 4 divided by 2 equals to minus 2. So from here we are getting the midpoint C and the coordinates are 1, comma minus 2. So this is the coordinate for the midpoint of A and B point, that is the point C. This was a very simple question, just you need to remember the formula. Now we will move towards the second question of this problem. Find the gradient of the line DC. So here the DC line is given. So as you can see, for DC line, if this is DC line, so if the D point and this is C point, so for coordinate of D are minus 3, comma 1 and coordinate of C just we have found out 1, comma minus 2. So now we need to find out the gradient. Now formula for gradient is so formula for gradient m is equals to, we are getting y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So you can take any one from them. So let me take y1 x1 y1 and x2 comma y2. So gradient m will be y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So here y2, the value of y2 is minus 2 minus the value of y1 is 1. So 1 divided by x2, the value of x2 is 1 minus the value of x1 is minus 3. So we are getting minus 3 by 4. So this is the value of the gradient of line DC. So the find the gradient of the line DC, this is equals to minus 3 by 4. This is in a negative gradient. Okay, so this was the answer of this problem. This was also again a very simple problem. Now we will move towards the third problem of this question. Find the equation of the line DC. Write your answer in the form of this. So for line equation of a straight line, we are using this formula, equation of a straight line. Equation of a straight line we are using y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So now for x1 y1 we can use any point from D or C. So I am choosing the point C here. You can also take the point D, but I am taking the point C. So C we have found out, and the point was 1, comma minus 2. So from here I am getting x1 is equals to here you can see x1 equals to 1 and y1 is equals to minus 2. So we are getting this. Now we will complete this equation of DC line. So y minus y1 is equals to minus 2 is equals to the value of m, just we have found out, minus 3 by 4 into x minus, and x1 is 1. So this is the equation of the line. So it is basically y plus 2 is equals to minus 3 by 4 into x minus 1. But we need to write this equation in this format: ax plus by plus d is equals to 0. So we need to write in this particular format. So now we will try that. So we are here 4y plus 8 equals to minus 3x plus 3. Just we have multiplied this with 4 and this with minus 3. So we are getting 4y plus 3x plus 5 is equals to 0. Now you can see we have written down the equation in this format, that is ax plus by plus d is equals to 0, where you have the known values, that is a is equals to 4, b is equals to 3 and d equals to 5. So this problem is also done. In this way you can solve this problem. Just you need to remember this type of formula. So this problem is done.